Hello and welcome back to Beering in Mind Beer Reviews, and this is review number 11, and today we're going to take a look at another Kizakura beer, which brewery is out of Fushimi in Kyoto, southern part of Kyoto City, and this is called Lucky Cat, and it's considered, they call it a white ale, and so we're assuming it's something like a Belgian wit or close to that, but actually it's quite different, as we'll see. This has 10 ratings on witbier for a score of 3.02, and it has a 34% rating by overall for beers on witbier and 52% by style. The style is called flavored fruit. And I'm not sure if that's exactly what Kizakura intended it to be, but in any case it is flavored with Yuzu, which is a kind of Japanese or Asian citrus fruit, and it also has sancho, which is called technically called Chinese pepper, but which is not used much except on when you have grilled eel dishes in Japan. It's often kind of a condiment for that here. So this is also lightened up with rice, and they specify which kind of rice, Yamada Nishiki rice, and also Zatz hops, which seems kind of like an unusual choice for this style of beer. But in any case, shall we give it a go? Okay, let's see what we got here. Okay, so it is a rather hazy, medium, dark straw, kind of dull, maybe slightly brownish, with a thin, rather not quite rocky, but sort of popped white head. And the nose is getting lemon more than yuzu. Kind of a light maltiness. And again, flavor definitely, decidedly kind of lemonish, sort of like lemon, some sort of lemon air spray sort of thing. Sancho is kind of mild, but it comes in mid-palate. Seems to be a bit of wheat, maybe, in mid-palate coming out as well. And then it fades out pretty fast here. Body is thin to medium. It's interesting. It's unusual. Kind of refreshing. Very mild bitterness, but it's really not all that good. I think this beer wants to be a wit beer, but somehow it just can't quite get there here. In any case, this is Kizakura Lucky Cat, and it's made by Kizakura Brewery in Kyoto, Fushimi. And you might give it a try if you happen to see it. Thank you. Bye-bye.